was really good here. Food was served well. Staff was very friendly. Games were awesome. And Kantara, as the guy who was here in charge, was like a brother.
The Vana venture and hospitality was really, really good. It's a very good experience. We all enjoyed. We came around 23 people were here. Children were here. Everybody enjoyed the games, the food, the hospitality. The cook, the chef was really good. Very tasty food, and the manager was also very good person. Everything was really amazing. We enjoyed the trip.
ರಿಟ್ರೀಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ತುಂಬಾ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೈಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಫುಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಫಿಯಿಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟೀ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೂಲ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ನೈಸ್ ಫನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಮೇಸಿಂಗ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇವಾಗ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ
Hi, the Vana retreat. We came with a family and we really enjoyed the stay. The food was great. The hospitality was great, and the workers over here were very good and they were very supportive.